Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to sign out of FaceTime on your Mac. Let's get started. If you're logged into FaceTime and you keep getting calls on your MacBook, iMac, or Mac Mini, I'll show you how to stop that. But before we jump in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. It really helps out the channel. Alright, the first thing we'll do is open FaceTime. You can click on the spotlight search icon at the top right, type in FaceTime, and press enter to open it. Once FaceTime is open, go to the top left corner of your screen and click on FaceTime in the menu bar. From the drop-down, select Settings. At the top, you'll see Apple ID with a Sign Out button. You can click that to completely log out of FaceTime on your Mac. It'll ask for confirmation, just hit Sign Out, and you're done. Alternatively, if you don't want to fully sign out but just want to stop your Mac from ringing when your iPhone does, look for the option that says Calls from iPhone and simply switch it off. That way, your FaceTime stays logged in, but your Mac won't receive calls anymore. And that's it. Quick and easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.